ऑलराइट, स्वागत है भाइयों आपका फिर से एक बार। और आज मैं लेके आया हूँ टुडे अलीना वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ रिएक्शन ऑन द मूवी नेम इज जाट। जाट इज cast in north of India,
Okay.
and the actor in this movie is Sunny Deol. He's 65 plus, but you look at him and you tell me if he looks 65 or not. Apart from that, apart from Sunny Deol, we have Randeep Hooda. You have watched the Extraction movie, first one, the guy who's fighting with Chris Hemsworth.
Yeah.
That dude is in this movie, and he is the bad guy, and he is. Let's see. And there is another guy. His name is Vineet Kumar Singh. Very underrated actor, but an amazing actor. I have been following his work for a long time, so he's also in the movie. So without any delay, you wanna start? All right,
Start.
let's start it.
एसआई विजय लक्ष्मी यहाँ
We have a situation, madam.
इस गांव में क्या हुआ है बताओ
She's
किसने
very
किया ये
very
सब
good actress. I like her. Salma Khan. The dude in Extraction movie.
ये राणा तुंगा की लंका है। यहाँ पे रास्ता किलोमीटर में नहीं, बिछी हुई लाशों में नापा जाता है।
इस लंका में कदम रखने से भगवान भी डरता है।
सॉरी बोल।
अबे हवा आने दे, चल हट। आ गया।
Looks like Schwarzenegger.
जान की
He
कीमत
is-
Sorry, Stallone, no?
He's
जान
super
को
famous
जोखिम में
in
डालने
India.
वाला।
He's like the real action hero. His age is 65 plus, dude. He's fucking
He
brilliant.
reminds me to Stallone. but
Yeah, he is Indian Sylvester Stallone.
We have to do something, Satyamurthy.
मैं तुझे और तेरी लंका को यहीं भूल दूंगा।
आजा,
Okay, he's
I am waiting.
ये नॉर्मल आइटम नहीं है, एटम बॉम्ब है।
ये 2.5 किलो के हाथ की ताकत पूरा नॉर्थ देख चुका है, अब साउथ देखेगा।
they were in line, ready to die.
So he is very famous in North India. So I think they are collaborating with the South. So he's saying like, whole North India have seen my power. Now South India will see.
Okay. So
He's very famous in like North India, and he has done like very patriotic movies, like where he's an Indian soldier and he's fighting with the enemies of India,
which are the enemies of India?
like Pakistan.
Yeah.
I mean, like, we are neighbors, so we have dispute and all. So, but he's like, look at it, 65 plus, but look
He's
at his fitness.
amazing.
Yeah.
His body, his face, and I'm really curious of what's going on. It looks like kind of mafia in the villa or something like this, no? In the village.
So the Randeep Hooda, the Extraction guy, the Extraction movie guy, he's the bad guy, and he runs a cartel.
A
of
cartel
bad
or
people
something like this,
with-
no?
He
Yeah.
kills a lot of people.
Yeah.
So he goes there and rescues.
Well,
some
the
people.
scene that they are on the field and suddenly the arms come out and
Yeah, yeah,
everybody's super scared, the police asking and nobody say anything.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
interesting.
The
Yeah.
village is in terror of Ranatunga, the bad guy. So that's why it was there like that. But Sunny Deol is very, very famous. If you saw, like when I was a kid, that time I used to watch his movies and I was like, he's the real action hero. Like he say 2.5 kilo ka hath means like my hand is of 2.5 kg. 2.5 kilo ka hath hai. This is action. In one of the movie, he goes to Pakistan because his girlfriend is in Pakistan, Sakina, and the father of Sakina is Amrish Puri. He is like, you cannot take Sakina from here. So he take the hand pump out. You know the hand pump?
Yeah.
He take the hand pump out and he kill a lot of people. And then he take the hand pump and put it in one guy's belly. And then he turn it on with the blood. I mean, a bit little exaggerated, but
Yeah.
he's like
Yeah.
the Sylvester Stallone of India.
Yeah. It reminds me
Yeah,
a lot
yeah,
of
yeah.
Stallone and the kind of action. I don't know if you have watched The Expendables,
I have watched,
movies.
yeah. I know
with-
Sylvester Stallone,
Yeah,
man.
no, but I mean, it reminds me a lot about these movies.
Yeah, now in
Exactly.
India, we hit the mass and we go. With action, we don't stop. We don't stop. We go
But
all
this
the
is-
way.
I mean, this is action, but it's exaggerated, but not so much. I mean,
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
I like. I think it's a very interesting movie to
And
watch.
this movie is they made with 100 crores. That's a lot of money. 100 crores. Like, okay, 1 million is 10 lakh. So 100 million is 100 million is 1 crore.
100 million what? Dirhams?
Rupees. It made with 100 crore. That's a lot of money. If I get 1 crore, I can retire. So that's 100 crore. So the movie is coming on 10th of April. So guys, watch this movie. I think it's going to be an amazing movie. Randeep Hooda is in the movie. Vineet Kumar Singh is in the movie. I think he's playing the sidekick of Randeep Hooda. Sunny Deol coming back with the action, going to the south. And I'm very excited towards the movie. And I hope that if we are watching one movie, Elena, I really want you to come with me and watch some mass movies like that. You have watched Animal, and I want you to watch some movies like Jat or this Salman Khan movie Sikandar or some mass movies. And I hope you come and
I
watch
like
some movies.
a lot of action movies. Expendable is one of my favorite movies, so I think this one maybe is on the level, no?
He has many movies. I think you can watch Gadar, Gadar Ek Prem Katha, and then he has Ghayal, Ghatak.
Let's start one by one.
Let's start one by one. All right, guys. So thanks for watching this video, and keep watching my videos. We will be coming up with more trailers. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.
Bye.